up, y'all? We are back. It is August and I just came back from Texas with the family. We had a great 10 days just traveling, road trip for the summer, and we got some content coming through the pipeline. But right now I was just thinking about it. There's beautiful flat ground out here. All right, so I think we're gonna learn, or I'm gonna tell y'all about manuals. It's just a really fun trick, and it helps get you around the city. And I'll tell you why throughout this video. But let's check this out. Yeah. So those are manuals. So with manuals, my foot placement, put right underneath the bolts, and I guess my whole foot covers this tail. Instead of popping the board for an ollie, I move it back this way, and it helps me balance the board. Okay, so what goes along with the manual are not only your foot placement, where you put your feet, it's going to be your arms. I like to reference this a lot, but the Tony Hawk game, it used to have this balance meter, and if you move too much this way, your nose would, hit the ground. If you move too much this way, your tail would slide and you might slip out or something. So you always want to try and find that balance meter in the middle. And I used to use my arm, well, I still do actually, so use my arms like this for the balance meter. This is how I'm usually holding my manual. If I go too much this way, I slip out this way. If I move too much this way, I put my nose of the board back on the ground. So I'm always trying to find that middle ground, like that. Those are manuals. They're really fun, and I grew up bringing the wooden crates that you find behind Albertsons or a grocery store. I was like our first fun box growing up as kids, and my mom used to let me bring one to the house in front of the sidewalk. And once I had my ollies, I was trying to learn manuals on them. I was like my first manual pad. So yeah, it's really dope. Have fun with it. Support Spring Valley Skate Park by checking out our page, our YouTube, and everything else we got going on. We got a park coming soon, God willing. All right, love y'all. Peace.
Good one.
Thank you. did it. It's a taller ledge. Just ollied up in manual to taller ledge. Oh, real quick. Shoe check. He's finally ripped. That hole right here. I've been skating these since like maybe late August of last year. It's been a whole year and they finally ripped through. I shoe glued them in the beginning, but Kyle Walker 2's still holding true with Mother Mary on our side. All right, I think that's it for this one. I love y'all. Stay blessed, stay striving, and let everything else happen. You know what I mean? God will take care of the rest. Love you. Peace.